So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this metal shader in the blender with the help of the nodes. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. Before starting tutorial guys, I just want to tell you, if you want to do practice on this project file, so you can download this project file from the description. That will be free for my all subscribers. So now let's start the tutorial. So first of all guys, I'm just going to show you how it look like on the rendering mode. Here you can see it's looking perfect. And now I'm just going to show you how you can create this, by the way. So for creating this, I'm just going to delete this UV sphere first of all, and then I will add another UV sphere. And after that, first of all, if you need some smoothness on your UV sphere, so you can apply the subdivision modifier pressing the Ctrl 2, and if you need more, then you can just apply the shade smooth as well. Now we can start adding some nodes on this UV sphere. So first of all, I will create one new node, and here you can see now we have a principal BSDF. And after that I will add one node. It's called Vonoid texture, which is so important for this shader. Yeah, and then I will add one more node. It's called math node. Yeah, and first of all I'm just going to change this add to the power, and then I will plug this distance to the base. Okay, and after that we will add one more node. It's called a bump. It will create some acceleration in our objects. So I will just plug this volume to the height, and then we will add one last node. It's called glossy BSDF, and you can use with the principal BSDF node as well, but I found some good result with the glossy BSDF. That's why I'm using, but there is no problem to use with the principal BSDF, by the way. Okay, so I'm just going to delete first of all this principal BSDF, then I will plug this normal to normal, and after that I will just plug this BSDF to the surface. So when you plug this to the surface, you will see something like that. So we need to play with some settings. So first of all, I'm just going to the Vonoid texture section, and here I will change the F1 to the smooth F1. So you will see some smoothness in your object, in your UV sphere. Then we need to play with some exponent. So right now that exponent is fine to me, because we need to decrease the strength first of all. So I'm just going to decrease the strength, and we need to decrease the distance as well. So I think that is fine. Now we'll play with the exponent. So when you play with the exponent, it will look like this. Now we can play with some distance, and we can play with some strength as well. Okay, now we'll just decrease the smoothness. So here you can see something like that. Okay, and now I'm just going to decrease the distance and strength as well. So you can see we have that metal shader. Okay, so from here you can control the smoothness. If you want to sharp edges, so you can keep it sharp, but it's not look like a metal. So that's why I'm just going to increase some smoothness from here. Yeah, now it's looking cool. So from here you can increase the scale and decrease the scale. Okay, that is totally procedural. Okay, and you can play with some exponent as well, and you can play with the some distance setting as well. So I think that look cool to me. Yeah, it's looking fine. So you can see guys, that's how you can create this metal shader, that hammer metal shader, using the blender with the help of the nodes, and that's looking cool to me. And don't forget to download this project file from the description. That will be free for my all subscriber. That's it for this tutorial guys. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have a suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care, and stay home guys.